I'll beat you. No, you won't. Okay. If you think that, let's find out. We will find out. And Spain is the winner. Ha. Ha, ha, ha. This is hard. Go England! The England flag is the one. Ah! Oh! Try to stay on the battlefield where the flags are. Fine, but why do you keep knocking me off? Because I'm a bad guy. Well, Spain used to be quite a good country till you turned off and turned all the people there evil, you tricker. Well, if you beat me and defeat me, I will turn all the Spanish people good again. Fine. But what if I kill you? Then you will have to. Fine. Yes, but you'll never do that. Never do one of those. In the name of the Spanish flag! In the name of the English flag! You'll never beat me. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. It's just impossible.